Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: subscription, permissions, and chosen region. Open Azure Portal or run as login in Azure CLI. Authenticate with MFA if required. Next, pick an OS image and VM size that fits load expectations, because sizing impacts cost and performance. Once done, create a resource group to contain related resources so management is simpler. Make sure to record the region and naming convention. This avoids conflicts later when deploying storage and networking. You now configure networking and VM details. Define a virtual network and subnet, then add network security group rules to permit SSH or RDP plus app ports. This secures access by default. Choose disks: SSD for performance, HDD for cost savings, and attach a public IP only if necessary. Deploy the VM via Portal, as VM Create, or an ARM template to automate repeatability. While deploying, monitor the provisioning state and confirm resource quotas so the deployment doesn't fail midway. You finish by validating the server is reachable. SSH or RDP in, confirm the OS and application services started, and adjust firewall rules if blocked. Then enable backups and Azure Monitor alerts to track health and cost. This prevents surprises. Finally, if something goes wrong, check the activity log, VM boot diagnostics, NSG and subnet rules, and subscription quota errors. These are the most common failure points. If needed, redeploy with corrected settings and keep consistent naming for cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.